Hi guys. So we've been talking about fantasy this week. And the cool thing about fantasy is even when you're just listening to it and your eyes are closed, you can still picture it in your mind. So close your eyes. We're all going to close our eyes. The dog was wearing a striped shirt. Open your eyes. Did you see in your mind a picture of a dog wearing a striped shirt? Some of you may have seen a really big dog wearing a really big striped shirt. Maybe you saw a really big dog wearing a little tiny striped shirt. But you can see it in your mind. You can picture that. That's what we like to call mind movies. When the author uses words like striped, they are using those words so that you can see them. They're describing words. So today we're going to focus on what describing words the author uses to make sure that you can see things in your head even when you can't see the pictures in the book.